Today we're going to be looking at single tonality chords. A single tonality chord is essentially a chord that is just one type, be it major, minor, major 7, minor 9, or whatever. It comes from the practice of sampling a single chord from a recording and then mapping that across the keyboard and then creating a part from that. Good examples exist, like Inner City Life by Goldie. It's also a classic within house music. You can hear it in the Italian house type tunes. You can also hear it in the works of bands like Inner City. Do remember to like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments below. Okay, so we're going to be going through this single tonality idea in Ableton. We're going to add a chord plugin to a MIDI track, set it to +3 and +7. This will give us the third and fifth of a minor chord. So you can hear every key that you play, it will be a minor chord. What we can also do is to add in the octave below, so we get a bit more of a bass. We can change the third, which is currently +3, and change it to a major third rather than a minor third. So I'm going to swap this out now for more of a pad type sound. So we're going to go back to the minus out. I'm going to change it to major. And remember, I'm just using one finger to play all of these. So we'll get rid of that. Now we're going to add a few more notes into here, sort of turn them into seventh chords. So first of all, as a major seventh, so that's +11 on the chord tool. I'm going to go back to the cheap electric piano. There's a major seventh chord. Change it to a minor seventh chord. So with a flattened third and a flattened seventh. So with this pad part, I'm outlining the notes of a C minor 7 arpeggio. C, E flat, G, E flat. It's a more majestic sound with the pad. Now the thing to understand about this idea here is that I'm essentially mapping out the C minor 7 arpeggio, C, E flat, G, B flat, but divided into two sets of fifths, C to G and E flat to B flat. And then finally finishing on the F.